The iPhone 16 Pro Max not only triumphs in battery life but also transforms user experience with its impressive camera capabilities. The new periscope lens, a feat of engineering, opens up a realm of photography possibilities, allowing users to capture breathtaking close-ups and distant landscapes alike with stunning clarity. For aspiring photographers and veterans, this feature symbolizes a significant leap forward, making high-quality photography accessible to all. Coupled with improved AI functionalities, users can now enjoy smarter photo enhancements that automatically recognize scenes and adjust settings for optimum results, enriching the creative process. Ultimately, this blend of technological ingenuity and user-centric design elevates the smartphone experience, ensuring that every click delivers exceptional quality. Moreover, the iPhone 16 series continues to push boundaries with its range of innovative features and robust performance improvements. Besides the outstanding camera functionalities, the device also showcases its prowess through seamless multitasking capabilities, enhanced by the A18 chip. This new architecture supports even the most demanding applications, allowing users to run multiple tasks smoothly, whether it's gaming, streaming, or productivity work without interruptions. Users can now transition from a video call to browsing prestigious publications, all while enjoying swift responsiveness and minimal lag. This cornerstone of user experience underscores Apple's commitment to delivering powerful technology that adapts to the fast-paced lifestyle of today's consumers. As users explore the new possibilities afforded by the iPhone 16 Pro Max, they're met with an enticing array of storage options to suit every need. Whether capturing vivid memories as a casual user or creating expansive projects as a content creator, the versatility in storage ensures that everyone has the space they require. This flexibility is critical in today's digital age, where content creation is increasingly prevalent and users demand more from their devices. The ease of accessing vast libraries of photos, videos, and apps seamlessly makes this phone an indispensable tool in daily life, encouraging a new era of creativity and expression. As the iPhone 16 series continually elevates the smartphone experience, users are also greeted with refined design elements that enhance user interaction. The vibrant OLED displays not only improve color accuracy and brightness but also ensure that every image and video pops with life, making media consumption a joyous experience. Alongside this, Apple has meticulously crafted the device's ergonomics, resulting in a smartphone that feels balanced and comfortable in the hand. Such thoughtful design ensures that users can navigate seamlessly through their daily tasks, whether scrolling through social media or composing messages, all while enjoying an aesthetically pleasing interface. The combination of style and substance propels the iPhone 16 series to new heights, fostering a connection between the user and the technology that feels both personal and innovative. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the iPhone 16 series embraces the latest advancements in connectivity, ensuring users stay engaged in their fast-paced lives. The incorporation of 5G technology is a game-changer, providing users with lightning-fast download speeds that enhance productivity and entertainment. This capability means streaming ultra-high-definition content is not only possible but seamless, whether at home or while commuting. Furthermore, with the addition of Wi-Fi 6E, connections remain stable and quick, even in crowded environments, allowing for uninterrupted access to essential apps and services. As users tap into these enhanced pathways, their devices become key companions, facilitating a connected lifestyle that is both efficient and enjoyable. Amidst all these advancements, Apple also places a strong emphasis on software enhancements that complement the hardware upgrades in the iPhone 16 series. The latest iOS version introduces intuitive features designed to optimize user experience, making everyday tasks simpler and more efficient. From customizable widgets that provide immediate access to vital information to advanced privacy settings ensuring user security, Apple caters to the growing need for personalization and protection in the digital realm. This cohesive integration of software and hardware reflects Apple's unwavering commitment to innovation, empowering users with an ecosystem that seamlessly adapts to their lifestyles. With each pivotal update, Apple stands firm in its pursuit of excellence, ensuring that the iPhone 16 series not only meets but exceeds users' expectations. The culmination of all these features culminates in a device that serves as both a powerful tool and a stylish accessory. With the iPhone 16 series at the forefront of smartphone technology, it's crucial to appreciate how each feature has been designed to enhance daily interactions. The sophisticated camera system, combined with storage options that cater to varying needs, empowers users to pursue creativity effortlessly. Furthermore, as users adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape, the seamless integration of advanced AI functionalities ensures that the device not only meets but anticipates their demands, providing a truly immersive and personalized experience. Embracing innovation, Apple positions the iPhone 16 series as an essential companion for life in the modern world. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 series signifies a bold step into the future of mobile technology, ensuring every user finds value in its exceptional features, design, and seamless functionality, ultimately reinforcing Apple's legacy of innovation and capturing the essence of what a smartphone should be in today's interconnected world. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.